Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Hold your head. Finger with the five. Back it up, back it up.
Let's start. First, open any editing application. Now go to New Project. Now add 5 photos. Select Format 9:16. Now adjust all photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set all photos to this time duration. Now add text. Go to text and write your text. Choose font and style according to you and place the text. Now trim the text layer till the end of first photo. Now check your video. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.